everyone, Kimberly Berg here, clinical exercise physiologist in the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. This is a big exercise that people keep asking me for, so I'm bringing it to you today. It is how do you get those hip flexors to release? There's several different ways. This is one of my favorite, and it is using two balls. You do have to be able to get down on the mat to do it and lay on your stomach, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You can use, these are Pilates toning balls, and they're about 3 inches. You can use racket balls, which those can be kind of small for this exercise. Tennis balls are a great size. It's about the same as this. Softballs are getting a little bit too big and rigid. Lacrosse balls are they're very rigid, and remember, we're working with the human body. Lacrosse balls have their place, but I don't like to use them for this exercise. I like a little give because this particular muscle is really long and powerful, and so you gotta baby it a little bit to get it to relax. So you're gonna put the two balls on the ground about where you think you're gonna be able to target the inside of your pelvis. So here's your hip bone. That's the ACSM. We're gonna go to the inside, and that is part of the psoas. So we're gonna go after that, starting with that, and we're gonna go just on the inside of your hip bone. And you will know when you're there because it may be uncomfortable, should never be extremely painful. But I will say it's gonna feel a little stretchy. So you're gonna come down, you can have a pillow down here, whatever you need. You can prop up your ankles on like a foam roller or a pillow, whatever makes your back comfortable, because you're gonna be down here laying on the balls for about 90 seconds. Make sure and breathe, really important. So you're going to be just down there hanging out, and you're gonna feel that muscle kind of relax. So you're gonna move it to a new spot, and maybe just a ½ inch difference. You'll get a little bit more stretch, or move it around, up, down, in, out, and you will feel that. Again, should not be horrible painful. Should feel stretchy and like something that needs to be released. So that is my quick hit. Go to our website, rebelfitclub.com, where you're gonna see all sorts of goodness. It's a very hopeful place. It has a questionnaire, tell me a little bit about yourself. And you can check out all our great classes. We have in-gym classes. We have a huge virtual offering with a membership site where we do all of our classes, our yoga, tai chi, our signature boxing boot camps, and then nutritional tips and myofascial release techniques. Everything that you're gonna need to manage your Parkinson's through movement is in there. So contact us. You can contact me directly, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to get back to you, tell you how exercise can change the game, retrain your brain, give you back your quality of life. I'm happy to do that because I'm very excited about all the things that we offer people. Thank you so much for watching. Stay hopeful and go forth and conquer.